Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're going to walk through a recent trade-in of ours. It's a 2020 Tidewater 21 LXF. Starting here off the transom, we have a Yamaha 200. Only 400 hours. Moving into the boat, you have a nice entryway with sea deck on the swim platform. Cushion fills in. We have cushions all the way across. Access to a nice live well. Port and starboard side storage, along with more storage back here. Plenty of room for a large cooler. Fits underneath the leading post. We have 4 rod holders across. Flip down bolsters at the helm. Here at the helm we have a Garmin display, a VHF radio, JL audio. You see plenty of speakers on the boat. 2 up in the hardtop, 2 at the bow. We also have trim tabs on the boat. Plenty of storage. Port side. Access to your head. There's a porta potty. Moving up to the bow. Plenty of seating up here for the family. You can remove all these cushions if you'd like when you're going fishing. Also, ton of storage. Real easy access up to your anchor locker. You have your access to your anchor right here. Moving around this side. Backrest for your passenger. Water shower head. Tackle storage. Real easy access to your battery switch. That's it for today's walkthrough. Give us a call at 631-956-4865. Thank you.